In this video, I'm going to define decentralized finance for you and show you how it's going to change the world as we know it. Decentralized finance is a new way of handling finances that doesn't rely on centralized institutions like banks. In this video, I'm going to explain what it is and how it works. You're going to want to pay attention, because decentralized finance is the future of money. Decentralized finance is a novel approach to money management. Digital assets and decentralized finance, DeFi, represent an emerging asset class comprising decentralized alternatives to traditional financial products and services. DeFi, or decentralized cloud computing, has captivated the attention of blockchain engineers, investors, and users, resulting in a flourishing ecosystem of innovative financial offerings and services. This part will look at what DeFi is, how it began, and which applications and projects have defined the field. Curious about the adoption of decentralized finance solutions? The DeFi analytics tool from DeFi Pulse shows that the total amount of value locked in the smart contracts of DeFi solutions has skyrocketed since the movement began in mid to late 2017 to a high of $1.25 billion in February 2020. What is decentralized finance? DeFi is a movement to create software applications that are immune to censorship, as opposed to centralized or traditional finance. DeFi, decentralized finance, is a movement dedicated to the creation of software applications that are free from government intervention. What does censorship resistant mean? A good litmus test for determining whether or not a product is decentralized is whether it can remain accessible regardless of entities like governments, internet infrastructure providers, and even the software's creators. Using smart contracts hosted on a distributed ledger enables software to remain available to anyone with the resources and know-how to interact with a smart contract. The DeFi movement. The DeFi, or decentralized finance, movement began as a collaboration organized by several projects, creating DeFi applications in late 2017 and early 2018. It was launched as an end goal to encourage communities, enthusiasts, and individuals to get involved. Early participants in the DeFi movement include MakerDAO, DAI/DX, Compound, Kyber Network, BZX, Dharma, and more. The website launched to announce the movement defines the principles of DeFi as interoperability and open source, accessibility and financial inclusion, financial transparency. The explanation provided in the section on financial transparency effectively describes the goal of DeFi in stating, market-level information should be transparent to all participants while still preserving individual privacy. DeFi asset classes. The same may be said of traditional investments. We can categorize the many sorts of investments a person may create using various DeFi solutions and services in the same way. We arrange conventional assets. The framework we outlined in our previous article on asset classes can also be applied to decentralized opportunities. Using that framework, the four decentralized asset classes include cryptocurrencies, decentralized lending, security tokens and derivatives, non-fungible tokens. While the DeFi movement has only been around since 2017, in some ways, DeFi has been around for as long as cryptocurrency. In our article on cryptocurrency, we note that some of the earliest applications of Bitcoin, blockchain, and distributed ledger technology include a pseudo-anonymous poker tournament and the infamous pizza purchase. As a form of currency, many of the earliest applications of decentralized cryptocurrencies include decentralized forms of common uses for fiat currency, in this case, gambling and commerce. Stablecoins. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin allow individuals who engage in casual gambling or make small purchases over long distances to quickly and almost anonymously exchange value. For things like large-scale gambling and ongoing commerce, however, extreme volatility in the value of cryptocurrencies makes it difficult to sustain their use when settling payments. Why use Bitcoin for purchases when it might have 30% more value in a week? To solve this problem, people introduce stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital assets whose value is tied to that of an underlying asset, the most common example being the USD Peg DAI stablecoin from MakerDAO. Stable coins based on fiat currencies or commodities have also been circulated, although their status as decentralized money is frequently disputed owing to the fact that there is usually a single entity in charge of generating and destroying the assets. Decentralized lending. Trading and investing remain two of the primary uses of cryptocurrency and digital assets, which has led to the development of a variety of financial instruments. Decentralized lending protocols enable lenders to earn interest by depositing digital assets into smart contracts. When a trader wants to engage in margin trading or wants to build a leveraged position, the smart contract enables them to borrow assets by depositing collateral to cover the interest paid out to lenders for making the assets available. Security tokens and derivatives. Tokenized equities have been widely discussed since the eco craze of 2017 but remain rare since they offer little if any advantage over regular equities. The ongoing legal battles faced by companies like Kik and Ripple show that issuing tokens does not enable organizations to avoid compliance with regulations on securities, and storing tokenized equities can be an unnecessary complication for many founders. Decentralized derivatives, however, have become popular. The invention of decentralized prediction markets like Gnosis and Augur and synthetic derivatives platforms like Set Protocol and Synthetics has made it possible to make markets and trade in anything that can be interpreted by an oracle. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. All cryptocurrencies are designed to be divisible. The Ethereum network, for example, allows divisions down to 18 decimals, while many ERC20-based tokens operate similarly. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are digital assets programmed to be indivisible. This enables them to be used as digital collectibles. If we wanted to create some kind of limited edition of some digital assets, issuing them as NFTs would be an effective way to do so. Digital collectibles are already popular on certain gaming and social networking sites, but NFTs are unique in that once they have been issued, their ownership depends on whoever controls them. Digital wallet containing the asset. The manufacturer can always seize or destroy any digital cards acquired or earned through a game like Hearthstone. Players, on the other hand, could keep ownership of their cards and create other games that make use of their characteristics if the cards had been created as NFTs. Share your thoughts and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto world.